is going to be a bit different. Instead of making a facts video, a grammar video, or an invention video, even an organ video or historical video, today we are going to look at poems. This is going to be a series on H Academy where we look at poems. The poem that we are going to look at today is called Nature. Now let's start with the poem. Nature, what a wonderful sight. It's full of hope and light. Seeing the beautiful mountains or the crystal clear rivers that flow. Or what about the night sky that glows? It's also mystical. If you see, you'd know. And in the forests, mountains, lakes and seas, you will see animals and flowers of many varieties. Nature again is a wonderful sight. It's always full of hope and light. Written by Hisham Zulfikar. If you would like to download a typed copy or a handwritten copy of this poem, it is available with the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell icon so you never miss other important videos and more poems from H Academy.